Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Porsche 911 Targa 4S Cabriolet. This one is wrapped in a matte black. It's powered by a flat 6 3-liter turbo with 371 horsepower and 330 pounds of torque. This one does have aftermarket Sharkwork exhaust, EVOMS tunes, upgraded GTS factory turbos, 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, red calipers, black leather interior, Porsche 911 Targa 4S badging, closer look at the Sharkworks exhaust, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, our different driving functions on the steering wheel, paddle shifters for extra performance, keyless go, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, PDK 7-speed automatic transmission, suspension adjustments, retractable soft top, exhaust button. This Porsche has 24,999 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Porsche 911 Targa 4S Cabriolet, visit us at feldmannimports.com.